Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete a transaction in Goodbudget. If you've accidentally entered the wrong transaction or simply want to tidy up your records in Goodbudget, then deleting a transaction is quick and easy. Open up the Goodbudget application first on your mobile device and then from the home page after logging in, tap on the Transactions button at the bottom. You will then be able to see your transactions. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find your transaction. And once you open it up, scroll at the bottom and see this trash can icon. Tap on it and click on Delete Transaction. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the selected transaction. The transaction will then be removed permanently. A removed transaction cannot be recovered, so always double check before deleting. That's how you can easily delete a transaction that you've added through mistake on Goodbudget. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.